Good morning, students. How are you? Today we will discuss RDOE worksheet 47, which is from your chapter tissue. And today we will discuss about epidermis. How plants are able to protect themselves. Plants have protective tissue for this purpose. The entire surface of the plant is covered by the tissue, and their main task is to protect the plant. They are also simple tissue, but their function is different from the supportive tissue. There are three types: epidermis, stomata, and cork. Now let's see about epidermis. All the parts of the plants like flower, leaf, stem, and the outer layer of the root, they all are covered by an external layer of the cell called epidermis. Okay, so where epidermis is present? Epidermis is present all the parts of the plant like flower, leaf, stem, outer layer of the roots, all are covered by an external layer called epidermis. Okay, and most of the cells are usually flat. This is the structure of your epidermis. Okay, the section leaf and show the epidermis, and most of the cells of this epidermis is flat. Their outer cell wall is thicker than the inner wall, and the epidermis cell of aerial part produces a layer known as cuticle on it, and which often secrete a waxy water resistant substance known as cutin, and it is more prominent in the aerial part of the desert plant where the scarcity of water is there. As you know, water is a very less amount of water is present in the desert, so it resists the loss of water from the surface of the aerial part of the plants. So this is the very important function of this epidermis, which produces a waxy kind of substance, or it covered the waxy substance covered the all entire part of that plant, which resists the loss of water, and that part is known as cutin. Okay, so epidermis cell of the aerial part of the epidermal cells present on the aerial part of the plant called cuticle, and it secrete waxy substance which is water resistant substance, and because of that it is called as cutin. And this is very important in case of desert plant where water is very less and plant cannot afford to have much loss of water. So this provides the protection against the loss of water and mechanical injury and invasion by the parasitic fungus. It protects from all the three, like from parasitic fungus and from mechanical injury as well as from loss of water. Cuticle of the epidermis control the transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water from the surface of plant. So cuticle, as you already know now, that cuticle produces a waxy kind of substance which is water resistant. So cuticle of the epidermis control transpiration. Okay, so epidermis cell of the root absorb water with the help of hair like extension called root hair. So root hair present on the tip of the root which absorbs the water, and root hair increases the water absorption capacity of the roots. Okay, so root hair basically help in the absorption of water from the soil. Now let's see about the stomata. What is stomata? Stomata are lower epidermis stomata present on the lower epidermis of this leaf. So epidermis layer of the leaf have tiny pores called stomata. See the structure. These pores are surrounded by the kidney beans like small cell known as guard cells. These are called as guard cells, and this hole is there called as stomata, and these cells control the opening and closing of stomata. The function of stomata is very important: the exchange of gases CO2 and O2 from the atmosphere, as well as is also help in the transpiration. Okay. Next, let's see about the cork cambium. All the plants grow older. The tissue on the outer layer of the root and the stem become hard and convert into cork. Means all the plant as they grow older, their tissue of the outer layer of the root stem they become hard and convert into cork. This produces multi-layer outer covering known as bark. Okay, because of the multi-layer covering it is known as bark from outer side. Due to the deposition of suberin, a chemical substance produced by the tissue between these cells, the cell wall become thick and no intracellular spaces are left between them. The cells become dead. Because of this chemical substance known as suberin, it deposits on the cells intercellular spaces. The cell become thick and ultimately it becomes dead. Suberin make the bark and the cork impervious to the gases and the water, and thus it protect the plant from the jerk and wound. Okay, this suberin it is impervious to gases and water, and it also protect the plant from jerks and wound. So this is all about your today's worksheet. Let's do practice exercise. We have first question: what are protective tissue and where they are located in the plant? They are the simple tissue covering the entire surface of the plant. Their main function is to protect the all parts of the plant, like epidermis, the parts, all parts of the plant like flower, leaf, stem, or the outer layer of the roots, stomata, epidermis of the leaf, and cork, the tissue on the outer layer of the root and the stem. So students, you can write the answer of this question from here. See, the entire surface of the plant covered by the tissue, the mean to protect three type of tissue. This is you have to write for the answer of first question about the epidermis. This you can write for stomata, and this you can write for cork. Second question we have write the function of epidermis. Then you can write the function of epidermis. It provides the protection against the loss of water, mechanical energy, and mechanical injury and invasions by the parasitic fungus. This is the answer of your second question. Where is the stomata located in the plants, and what are the function of stomata? Stomata are located on the lower epidermis of the plant. So you can write the answer of this, the epidermis of the lower present on the stomata. This is the answer of your third question. And what are the function of stomata? This is the function of stomata: exchange of gases and help in the transpiration. This is the answer of your third question. Fourth, why are cork hard and what benefits do the plant get due to this? Why cork is hard? Because of the deposition of this suberin. Okay, so you have to write this all answer. This is the answer of your fourth question. What is the benefit do plant get due to this? So this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you understand it. So to like video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you, bache. Take care.